Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. 12 days of Christmas giveaway. We'll have that coming right up. Christmas is just around the corner, and so are the 12 days of Christmas giveaway. I'm going to go over the rules, and they're very simple. Like, comment, and subscribe this video to enter. Real simple. That's all you have to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Number 2, we're going to be starting this on Monday, December the 10th. I will be drawing a winner every night at 7:30 p.m. for 12 nights in a row. That winner will have 48 hours to email me their address at billthedronereviewer@gmail.com. If I don't receive that email within 48 hours, I will be drawing another winner. Prizes. Oh, well, yes. What are the prizes, Bill? You know what? I'm glad all of you asked. I'm going to show you a sample of what you could win. Now, first, going to have some Bill the Drone Reviewer swag. Got Bill the Drone Reviewer hat and a Bill the Drone Reviewer t-shirt. Next, how would you like to win a drone? Who wouldn't like to win a drone? Okay, well, the opportunity is going to be there. I have a drone from SHRC. As you can see, it's kind of like a mini Phantom clone. It's not GPS enabled, but it does look like a lot of fun. It is brand new, it's never been used, and it could be yours. So what else do I have here? Well, lo and behold, I have, I think it's pronounced Vizio, and it's called Private Eyes. And this is a GPS enabled drone. It is rated around $100, and this has been rated very well. In fact, I'm going to be doing a review on this weekend, so stay tuned to watch this. You could win this. This is a great drone from everything that I've seen, so I'm very, very excited about that. You could also win this bag. What's this bag? Well, you can see this bag has DJI. This was swag that was given to us at the See the Bigger Picture event, and it's in a sealed black box. So you will be able to open that up. I'm not going to tell you what that is. And last but not least, the grand prize is a Mavic 2 battery. Has a retail value of $135. So there's plenty of reasons for you to enter the contest. There's going to be, I have other things I'm going to be giving away too. I have that Mavic 2 charger. I have some filters I'm going to be giving away. Going to be lots of things that you guys will have a chance to win. Question of the day. What would you like to win from what I've shown you tonight and from what I've talked about? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.